music. I don't know. I feel lots of different things, I guess. Like when I'm in a really good mood, I'll pick up my guitar. When I'm in a really bad mood, I'll pick up my guitar. So it depends on what I'm doing.
I think one of the good things too is that like you can be thinking about something, but then once you start playing, like you don't think about it anymore.
Yeah.
You just play.
Yeah, play music. Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, since I was 8, I think, so that'd be 10 years,
Oh, good man.
pretty much.
I think 8 years I've been playing. Say originality is definitely a big factor. Like I can't get into any song that sounds like every other song.
Yeah, it's
or
just-
a lot of other stuff.
It's definitely the same for me. Like when I hear something that has already been done a million times, I might as well just listen to the originator or whoever. Just like I don't want to listen to a band that sounds like Fugazi. I want to listen to Fugazi.
Yeah.